Good morning, Jarr Gamers. It's 7:26 in the morning, and I am on my way. I just left my mom in her work. I'm gonna go back to my house because in a couple of hours I'm saying goodbye and farewell to my Nissan. My dad, I can get the Toyota. I said in one of the episodes. It's, how do I say this, is really, I have them, how do I say, I got the feels of like I really don't want to leave you and this and that, you know, but it's sacrifices that one makes, like that one can have a car, and like that one's mom can have a car, but I'm actually glad that we're getting this car. It's an AE86. It's a same Corolla that Takumi drove in initially. It needs some work, not that much, but it needs it. But I'm happy that we're getting this new car. But let's see what happens from here on, right? So today I was actually thinking about, and I was reading on Twitter, people are excited of the Metal Gear collection that Hideo Kojima teased on one of the on a convention. I think it was like a Japanese convention. He was actually excited. He tweeted on the day of his panel. He tweeted that he was excited because he was like, well, next to my panel I have next to my panel Under the Skin, and I was like, oh wow, that was funny. That was actually funny and nice from him. Even though that movie had a great how to say this, it's like a great psychological thing going on in that movie, Under the Skin, but it was great. I'm actually excited. I hope that, I know that maybe he'll present like much more of the Metal Gear collection, because maybe I think maybe he said Metal Gear collection, and maybe it's like the collector's edition, like a collector's edition of Phantom of Pain that brings all the Metal Gears like in one. And if it's like that, I actually hope that that I will get it. No lies, I would get it. I'm actually waiting to see if there's an actual Metal Gear Phantom of Pain collector's edition for PS3. I am gonna see if not by this week, by next week I can reserve my copy of World of Warcraft, Orgs of Draenor of, shoot, forgot the name. The new World of Warcraft. I'm gonna see if I can pre-order it, the collector's edition, because I am trying to like little by little get them all, because they look all like books, so it's like keeping like they're very nice. And let me see, the other thing I saw that looked interesting is that I'm trying to speak and I can't like think straight. Maybe it's because I'm still tired. Oh, it's not interesting, it's sad. Supposedly, no, not supposedly, Nintendo said that the retro NES design, the 3DS XL that has like the design of the NES is not coming for Europe. I'm sad for you guys, really. Even though sometimes it gets me a little mad that you guys get cool collector's editions and we don't. It's not funny. Like, on the Resident Evil 6, we only received the anthology and the other version that only has like the movie and the game. And I think it had Code Veronica or some shit like that. But no, you know, y'all in Europe got the anthology plus a stainless steel case plus a replica of the bomb that Ada uses in the game. Evil Ada, not normal Ada. And then in Japan, I don't know how much it cost, but it had to cost a lot of money. In Japan, the collector's edition was a replica jacket of Leon. So I was like, shit, we only got the game. But that's how it is. But yeah, today I'm gonna, when I come back, when I actually get the other car, I'm gonna make like a small little video showing you the car and the inside, the outside, but that you guys can see my new car. So I'll see you guys much more later. So take care, Jarr Gamers. I am BigBoss, and I am signing out for a while.